Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurhana binti Zainal Abidin. Today I'm going to present about a review on lava side effects of Pseudium guajava leaf extract towards mosquito larvae. The background of study 1.1 resistance to insecticide, harmful to environment and human health impacts due to the extensive use of vector control. Next is plant-based insecticide considered to be an environmental friendly alternative to keep people safe. My problem statement are WHO reports that epidemics such as Zika virus, dengue fever, and chikungunya related by mosquitoes represent about 350 million cases. The excessive usage of insecticides has caused the widespread of resistance towards vectors, and then it is safer to use natural product. Study, measure and identify in what percentage and concentration of extraction of Pseudium guajava leaf extract that can be lethal towards mosquito larvae. And next, if the Pseudium guajava leaf extract could kill the larvae, they could be commercialized to the market. And lastly, can bring awareness about the disadvantage of the using of chemical insecticide. So, the objective of my study are to determine the larvicidal effect of Pseudium guajava leaf extract toward mosquito larvae by thesis review method. Next, to investigate the chemical composition of the crude extracted from Pseudium guajava leaf. Okay, let's learn about the history of Pseudium guajava. It is a fruit-bearing plant referred as guava in the Myrtaceae family, called guava in English, while guayabo in Spanish, has aromatic short petiole leaf. It's a pear-like shaped yellow tone in a mature condition, have musky unique aroma when blossomed. We have known that there are volatile compounds in Pseudium guajava, which is 141 and only 131 were identified. There are also 17 odorants that contribute to the odor of Pseudium guajava. The major compounds are B-caryophyllene, alpha-pinene, 1,8, cineol, and quercetin. Insecticides are known as pesticides, and their usage on crops or other species have both positive and negative effects. Then people are at the higher risk due to direct contact with the pesticide are farmers and their family members, since they handle the pesticide directly, mixing and apply them to the crop. And the third, pesticides not only have a short-term effect to environment but also a long-term effects, especially the POPs would continue poisoning the non-target organism. Okay, what is the composition of chemical insecticide? Substance or chemical that kill insect are defined as insecticide. Organochlorine (OCPs). Pesticide are an organic compound that is connected in 5 of greater chlorine atom. Most prevalent sample of these pest-killing agents are DDT, aldrin alidine, dialdrin, chlordine, and aldosulfan. They could restrain a broad range of insects, although have a deep-rooted residual consequences to the surrounding. Okay, next, let's learn about the effect of synthetic insecticide. Around 3 million of severe pesticide intoxication cases global, out of 2 million are taking their life using pesticide. So next, long-term health effects such as carcinogenesis, neurodegeneration. Other than that, occupational workers that regularly spraying of malathion and DDT can get high risk of psychological symptoms such as disturbance. Identification of Aedes species, origin, body shape and growth. The vector that transmit dengue fever virus, which is dengue. The virus are originated from Africa, so Aedes aegypti is also native to Africa. So the body shape, they have spherical head, have 2 white silvery scale marking syphilis originating on the head of female, while bare syphilis on male. So the origin is the carrier of encephalitis and filiaris in tropical and subtropical region. So this is collect species. Then the body shape, they have uniform color of scales that are found in the margin and veins in its wings. And the female has tips abdomen that are blunt and have retracted cerci or sensory appendages. So the origin of Mansonia is a mosquitoes. They are major vector of Elephantiasis tropica due to Brugia malayi parasite. Brugia parasite are focused to the area of East and the South Asia, notably Indonesia, India, Malaysia and Thailand. So the body shape of Mansonia have a huge body, black or dark brown in color with flat lower limb and wings. Okay, let's know about mosquito breeding habitats. So for the Aedes, it will breed in the small container, opening entry or any water conveying leaf axis or any little stone opening. It also known as bug at urban and rural area, abundant and strongly near to human abode, so they will benefit from the human. While Mansonia is the most abundant vectors of filiaris, they breed in the rice fields. So what about Anopheles? So Anopheles most abundant mosquito species in a rural area. Okay, first of all, from Aedes species, by Diaz and Monroe's 2014, Diaz and Monroe stated that only 50% of the oil extracted from the plant exhibit the high larvicidal activity from the analyzed result, little those 50. But the Malaysia produced 30.5% of oil, which is it belong to the majority of the active oils. That's again the Aedes aegypti. As we know that guava belongs to the Myrtaceae family. Okay, Central stated that larvicide of Pseudium guajava essential oil compound can be absorbed through the cuticles or through the respiratory tract of the insect or through the gastrointestinal tract. Okay, next is Kulak SP. Researcher was Charles and Edin, 1951. Even though these research are quite old, but it's very useful. So the result was the counted outcome showed that at 1 to 3 dilution, Rania and guava kill 100, while guava kill 8 respectively. Although the Rania are more productive than guava, but are highly toxic, difficult to obtain and difficult to market. So here we can see that guava is much more better option for the bioinsecticide. Okay, next is a research on Anopheles species. The researcher was Netumba et al. 2020. So the result, the extraction of nanoparticles show that larvicidal effects against the larva stage of the malaria vectors Aedes gambiae, Anopheles gambiae, LC50 after 24 hours and 48 hours. Okay, research design is one step is the path through which research conducted by the researcher problem was formulated, an objective and result presented from the data obtained. Research objective outcome was presented at the end. Okay, next is a method of data collection. First, data collection. The study was done by using the data collected from the existing journal article and paper which related to the Pseudium guajava. The method was started with searching of source related to the topics studies such as journal, research paper, articles, book and magazine. Okay, next is source related. In every collected sources, the researcher need to focus on the result approach. Tools and materials. Various tools, Microsoft sources, website, and apps have been used. The method of data analysis. We have two methods of data analysis, qualitative and quantitative. Summary 4.1. The purpose of study are to recognize the chemical composition of this specific plant, which is Pseudium guajava. It can be summarized through this analysis that the larvicidal effect of the Pseudium guajava is still unclear in relation to mosquito larvae. Okay, my opinion about the future design. The efficiency of Pseudium guajava leaf extract as a future plant, we need to do more research about it. Then high potential to be cost effective, easily to commercialize as a biopesticide. This is true, but we need more research. to do it as a biopesticide.